In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Google Workspace login page. By the end, you'll have your organization's logo appearing on the sign-in screen and, if you want, on classic sites across your domain. To follow along, you'll need an administrator account with permission to manage company profile and personalization settings. First, open the Google Admin Console by going to admin.google.com and sign in with your admin credentials. Once you're on the Admin Console homepage, look for the section labeled Account. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a tile on the dashboard or an item in the left navigation. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type Account to jump straight to it. Inside the account area, choose Account Settings. This is where your company profile and branding controls live. You should see a personalization section with an option called Logo. Go ahead and click Logo to open the branding panel. Here, select the option to use a custom logo. This tells Google to display your organization's image on the login page instead of the default. For best results, pick a clean, horizontal version of your logo that's easy to read at smaller sizes. A PNG with a transparent background often looks the sharpest, but JPEG and GIF are also supported. Next, upload your logo file from your computer or paste a direct URL if your image is hosted online. Give the preview a moment to load and confirm it looks crisp with enough padding around the edges. If the image appears blurry or cropped too tightly, try a higher resolution file or add a bit more white space to the canvas before re-uploading. Keeping the file size reasonable helps it render quickly for users on slower connections. Below the logo preview, you'll see an option to show this logo on all user-created classic sites. If your organization still uses classic sites and you want consistent branding there, check this box. If you've fully moved to the new Google Sites or prefer not to push the logo to Sites content, you can leave it unchecked. When everything looks right, click Save. Changes usually propagate within a few minutes, but they can take a bit longer across larger domains. To preview the new look, sign out or open a private browsing window and begin the Google sign-in flow. You should see your logo appear once you enter an email address from your domain. If you don't see the options covered here, you may need additional admin permissions from your Google Workspace Super Admin. That's it. Your login page is now branded and ready for your users.